This is the LumeCube Tube Light Mini, a portable light wand made for photographers and content creators on the go. It's packed with a ton of features for still photography and videography. Hey everyone, it's Renz. Welcome back to the channel. Now, I've been a content creator for the past 3 years now, and a lot of my work revolves around photography and videography. Lighting plays a huge part for me when I create my videos. When LumeCube reached out for me to try out the Tube Light Mini and Panel Pro 2.0, I was super excited. So in this video, we'll be going over both the products, we'll touch on the features of each light, and see if any of these lights make sense for you. So with that, let's get right into it. In the box, you get the Tube Light Mini, a mini tripod, wrist strap, USB power cable, and a nice molded hard shell travel case. The RGB Tube Light Mini costs $169 and measures 12 inches in length, weighing just under 0.75 pounds. It's smaller and lighter compared to some of the other tube and handheld LED lights I've used in the past. Unlike many other lights that have a handle or grip on one side with the control panel and buttons, LumeCube takes a different approach. It has the LCD panel and controls built into the back of the light, giving it a more streamlined and stylish design. At both ends of the tube, there are 1/4 inch threads. You can use these connectors to attach the accessories that come with the tube, such as a wrist strap or a mini tripod. You can also connect it to other devices or mounts that have the same thread size like most regular tripods and light stands. The light is made of strong aluminum and is designed to withstand drops. It's also weatherproof, meaning you can even use it in wet conditions without any worry. However, even though it's built to be tough, it's a good idea to handle it with care to make sure it lasts as long as possible. Now, one thing that impressed me right away was the controls and LCD panel on the back of the light. The LCD screen was very easy to read and use when adjusting the light settings. It even showed the battery level and estimated remaining battery life clearly. Besides the user-friendly screen, there was also a very simple and easy to use control setup. Just below the screen, you'll find a USB-C port for charging, an on and off switch, a blue select button, and a convenient jog dial switch that makes it easy to scroll through different settings and values. Now, compared to many other lights with clunky controls, the Tube Light Mini was honestly a really nice experience. It was so easy and quick to make adjustments to the settings directly on the light. Whether it was changing the brightness, color temperature, or even the hue and saturation levels, I can make those changes in just a few seconds. I was pleasantly surprised by the tabletop tripod included in this bundle. Now, even though it's not expensive to buy separately, the fact that it's included in the base price is quite impressive. The tripod itself is sturdy and has a good grip with small rubber feet to prevent slipping. Overall, it worked really well. Another neat feature is that you can mount this light magnetically. Now, I've seen lights like these being taped directly to a ceiling, wall, or pole on many occasions to get that perfect shot. However, you can actually attach the light to any metal surface that is magnetic. Even if it's a vertical surface, the light will securely hold itself up. It's pretty impressive how it works. I was also surprised to find an extra feature included in this light that I hadn't seen in many other lights before. It has the option to be used as a power bank. In case of an emergency, you can plug another device like your phone into the light and charge it up. It's quite handy. Now lastly, even though you can control the light entirely using the buttons on the back, it also has Bluetooth connectivity and can be controlled using the Lume Control App. This comes in handy when the light is positioned high or in a hard to reach spot. Connecting the device was quick and simple, and the controls on the screen were easy to read and understand. Once you select the light you want to use, you can see the battery life information. There are sliders for adjusting the brightness and color temperature, ranging from 2700 to 7500 Kelvin. Below that, you'll find more advanced controls for CCT, hue, saturation, and intensity. Now, another mind-blowing feature is the photo eyedropper tool. With this, you can use your smartphone's camera to point at something, and the light will change to match the color of that object. At the bottom of the app, there's a bar that you can scroll sideways to access preset special effects options. These options include standard effects like strobe, lightning, fire, candle, TV, police light, and loop mode. Now, this light is awesome for product B-roll shots. I love being able to control the lights using the app and fine-tuning it to my liking. I like to keep my product B-roll shots really simple. I also like having the option to spice things up by using different colors like orange and blue. By placing the light strategically, you can make certain things stand out, create depth, or set a particular mood in your scene. Since it's so lightweight and compact, it can be convenient if you frequently do video meetings on the go. Now LumeCube also sent me their new RGB panel 2.0. I really enjoy using this light because it can easily attach to my camera, especially in situations where I need additional light to illuminate a subject. It's priced at $179.99 and includes a softening diffuser and travel pouch. You can also control the light using the Lume Control App. Compared to the original Panel Pro, the upgraded version has several improvements. It is 11% brighter in bicolor mode, providing better lighting options. The RGB feature is now 400% brighter, offering more vibrant and colorful lighting effects. It now also features a built-in power bank as well, just like the Tube Mini, allowing you to charge other devices if needed. This light would have been really useful when I shot a wedding a few months ago. I needed additional light to illuminate the bride and groom during the first dance. However, I'm really thrilled to have this light in my kit now. It will definitely come in handy for future shoots. Both the Tube Light Mini and RGB Panel 2.0 make it accessible for content creators to get really creative with their photography and videography. Now, should you consider getting these two products? Absolutely. Although there are many options available in the tube light market, based on my personal testing, both of these lights is definitely worth its price. There's something about the size of these lights that I find just right. It's small, lightweight, and sturdy. When I have limited space in my gear bag, I always look for high quality tools that get the job done, while also having a few extra features if needed. And that's my review of both the Tube Light Mini and RGB Panel 2.0 from LumeCube. I'm curious to know, are you guys picking up any of these lights? Do you think it's worth it to add to your gear kit? Let me know in the comments below. Now, if you like the video, go ahead and press the like button. And if you want to see more content like this one, you can go ahead and subscribe to the channel and follow me on my socials. Other than that, thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next one. Peace.